Annual Canines, Cats, and Cabernet event was held Friday, March 21st at the Depot Culture Center. This event, which happens every March, is a signature event fundraiser for the Corinne T. Animal Center. The shelter serves 5 Central Texas counties and cares for over 3,000 homeless animals each year. According to Fred Day, administrative manager, that requires over $500 per day. Thanks to the help from the event sponsors, every penny spent on tickets, raffle tickets, or auction items Friday night will go directly to the care of the animals at the shelter.